Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. In this video, we will learn the absolute basics of two-point perspective and how to draw such a box in two-point perspective. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so here we have a blank sheet of paper as usual, and first I will just go ahead and draw a horizontal line which is going to be our horizon line. So this is our horizon line. Alright, so on this horizon line, just make 2 points, preferably at the extreme edge of your sheet, and these 2 points are known as vanishing points. So this is our right vanishing point and this is our left vanishing point. So once you have established your 2 vanishing points, let us go ahead and draw the front edge of our box. So it is advisable to draw this edge a bit closer to your horizon line rather than drawing at the at the extreme edge of your page. So I'll just draw a line, say 5 centimeters, and this will be the actual height of your box. Now from these 2 endpoints, let us draw lines to our vanishing points. So one set of lines will go to the left vanishing point and the other set of lines will go to the right vanishing point. So once we have established the sides of our box, we should decide what should be the length of our box and what should be the depth of our box. So let us go ahead and choose an arbitrary point somewhere over here and draw a vertical line. So this will be our length of the box, and similarly let us draw a line on the right side of a box to determine or to just establish the depth of our box. Okay, looks good. Now once we have this, let us take the endpoints of these 2 lines and run lines to our vanishing points. So the trick here is, or the rule here is, the line which is on the right side, these lines should go to the left vanishing point, and the line which is on the left side should go to the right vanishing point. Alright, if you do this properly, you will get 2 intersection points over here which should be a proper vertical line. And here you have a box in 2-point perspective. So you can just go ahead and darken these lines. Alright, so this is how you draw a box in 2-point perspective. So if you want, you can just darken these lines as well, or you can just leave it as it is. So that is all about 2-point perspective. So here you have 2 vanishing points on the horizon line, and all the lines going to the right side should converge to the right vanishing point, and all the lines going to the left side should converge to the left vanishing point. So that is all there is to 2-point perspective. I hope you understood this video. If so, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.